BSF continues to perform duty under any circumstances to prevent all types of crime in the border areas. BSF Tripura Frontier IG Piyush Patel gave details on this in a press conference organized at the headquarters in Shalbagan on Monday. On Monday, a press conference was conducted at Shalbagan BSF Headquarter together with all the BSF Jawan. Tripura BSF Frontier IG Piyush Patel and others were present. Speaking at the press meet, BSF Tripura Frontier IG Piyush Patel said that from January 1, 2023 to April 15, 2024, BSF soldiers perform a special duty in the state of Tripura. Because during this period, BSF seized contraband worth 96.56 crores from the border areas. This includes 1,89,843 Java tablet. Its black market price is rupees 9,45,79,500 rupees. 22,392.23 kg of ganja seeds. Its black market price is rupees 14,28,94,250 rupees. 2,11,616 bottles of fentanyl were also seized, the black market of which is rupees 3,91,01,340 rupees. Moreover, 24,520 bottles of liquor were seized, the black market price of which is rupees 43,61,606 rupees. Moreover, 2,582 cattle were impounded, the market price of which is rupees 3,53,27,000. At the same time, gold worth rupees 2,48,12,409 rupees were seized. He also said that the BSF continues to perform duty under any circumstances to prevent all types of crimes in the border areas.
Ladies and gentlemen, BSF is committed to the community policing also, and we always maintain healthy and cordial relationship with the local populations and organize various civic action programs over the year. And we had medical camps, that basic amenities. We also provide study materials and sports items to the students also. We are also planning to start pre-recruitment training camps for the local youth so that they can compete with the others in exams. Even vocational training we have been doing, and we regularly hold sports tournament with the local youths, and it has got a very good response also. We have also responsibility, social responsibility also, and we are doing in various social activities in the different campuses and public places. Like we have a Rojgar Mela in BSF camp, and almost in 2023, 273 candidates will be given appointment letter. And in 2024, 45 candidates were given the appointment letter. We also participated in the plantation drive in the state of Tripura, and 1,92,000 saplings were planted by Frontier Tripura in the state of Tripura. We also Swachh Bharat campaign. We organize the Swachh Bharat campaign in all campuses as well as in the public places also, like railway stations, hospital and schools also. The most important part is because the Tripura is having a very good linkages with Bangladeshi, the people of Tripura, and linkages with the Bangladeshi people also. So there are some developmental works which affects both the population of both the countries. So we resolve it on at IG level talks. If it's not possible, then DG level talks also. And recently also 3 major works which concern with the economic activities of the state, like LCS, ICPs. Some work have concurred last meeting also, and over the period lot of work, and because of that ICP sub-room is going to start in couple of months. Then ICP Apura also, there are some Agartala, there are some works which already concurred in this meeting also.
The IG also further said that various prohibited items have also been seized. Reported by Amit from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.